Welcome in, Nice Nation. I'm KK here with.
I'm Brian here with
Isabella.
Marion.
Mrs. Patterson.
Marquise Anderson.
Carrington.
Dr. Anderson.
And I'm going to be asking them some questions about Thanksgiving. The first question is, who or what are you most thankful for this year?
I'm most thankful for my family, obviously my children. I'm thankful for Kenwood High, the students and faculty we have. That's what I'm most thankful for sure.
Sir.
My mom. I'd probably say I'm most thankful for my mom.
To meet family. Oh, well, to be honest, I'm not thankful for none this year.
I am thankful for my family, my friends, and my students.
What and who am I thankful for?
Or who are you most thankful for?
I'm thankful for my mom, and I'm thankful for the sport basketball.
Okay. What is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
My favorite my favorite Thanksgiving food probably be mac and cheese and turkey.
Turkey. All right. What?
I'll be honest with you, I'm a real Thanksgiving person. I love Thanksgiving food. Unpopular opinion, I think turkey's great. It's one of my favorite meats. I like mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes might be my favorite. I like it all, to be honest with you. There's not much I don't like on a Thanksgiving plate.
I feel that.
Cornbread. Puerto Rican rice and beans.
Dressing.
My favorite Thanksgiving food, I love mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes?
I love mashed potatoes. On the turkey.
Oh, okay. Just
With like the cranberry sauce.
okay, not just mashed potatoes.
No,
You
I do.
Cranberry sauce?
Okay, I like cranberry sauce if it's mixed in with my mashed potatoes and the turkey.
Okay.
I don't like cranberry sauce on its own. I think that's a little bit of a red flag.
Yeah, me too. But the third question is, what is your least favorite?
Stuffing.
Yeah, I agree.
I am not a stuffing
Everybody does
person.
not like stuffing.
Least favorite food is yams.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, I'm glad you asked that because there is one. I don't like cranberry. I don't do the cranberry sauce. I don't do the cranberries. That's the one I don't really do. I like dressing. I like it. I'll do everything else for sure.
Turkey.
Turkey is pretty trash. I'm not gonna lie. Turkey definitely trash.
Cornbread. I hate cornbread.
Hey, cornbread.
Yes. I don't know. Like, people get mad at me all the time, but just cornbread ain't good to me.
All right.
Probably spaghetti salad.
Hold on, what?
Spaghetti salad.
I ain't never heard of such thing. Do you got a Thanksgiving tradition? And if so, what is it?
Nah, I don't.
What's in spaghetti salad though?
It's vegetables and chicken.
So ever since I was little, we always, when we get up in the morning, we put on the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. I'm from New Jersey, so like it's in New York City. So I was able to go a couple of times as a kid. That's like my favorite.
No.
Okay.
Just watching football, eating food. I like to really relax on Thanksgiving. It's my favorite holiday because I try not to do too much. Just cook a turkey and watch football and be with family and laugh and enjoy each other. So that's all.
No. Just eating. Not one that I can think of. They're more Christmas traditions.
Like for Thanksgiving, a Thanksgiving tradition could be like families just coming together, eating together, you know?
Growing up, I didn't really have family around, so.
Okay. I feel that. And then next question is, if you could invite anyone, famous or not, who would it be and why?
Oh, famous or not? It would probably be. Dang. I don't know. I don't think I would invite anybody.
It could be like family member that doesn't normally come. It could be somebody famous, like your favorite, celebrity. Anybody.
Brent Fires then.
Right. Okay. Well then, I guess. Who?
Brent Fires.
Okay.
NBA young boy.
Okay.
I would pick Tom Hanks because he is one of my favorite actors, and I recently saw another movie that he was in, so I have some questions.
What? Some questions?
Yeah, just like about his role. I watched the movie Greyhound recently, and I was like, I want to know more about that role.
So you would invite him to dinner and ask him questions?
And like Toy Story, like there's a lot there. Or was Tom Hanks in Toy Story? Yeah.
Yeah, he was.
Exactly. So I have questions. Forrest Gump, a Band of Brothers, like Saving Private Ryan, he was a producer on. So I just have a lot of questions for him.
It'd be a young boy
Why?
because he's a good rapper.
That's a great question. That's a great question. I would say some of my deceased family members who have passed away before me. I don't have any of my grandparents living anymore. They've all passed away years ago. So probably my grandparents. Yeah, in no particular order. Just having all of my grandparents back would be amazing for a day.
Abby Anderson.
Huh?
Abby Anderson.
I don't know what that is, but that's it for the episode. I mean,
Yep. All right, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Welcome back, Night Nation. Today we're here ranking Thanksgiving food, and I'm here with
LeBron.
KK.
first one is turkey.
Good.
Turkey good. It just depends on who cook it.
Cornbread.
Good. I mess with cornbread.
Ham.
I mess with ham. Ham more than turkey, I ain't gonna lie.
It's good.
Yeah, ham good.
Sweet ham.
Yeah, it gotta have some like glaze on the top.
That honey ham.
So under good.
Yeah.
No, wait.
Good or elite?
Elite.
Elite.
Rolls.
Elite. Rolls are elite. Hawaiian rolls.
Especially
It gotta be a Hawaiian roll. Those are took down.
French fries.
As a Thanksgiving food, not on my plate. But as a food, it's elite. I'm not gonna lie.
Some of these things, they're just like, I don't know, not traditional Thanksgiving food.
Yeah. Fries definitely not traditional, but like as a food, fries elite.
By itself, yeah.
Yeah. What you thinking, KK? Good. Good. Wait. Good. Good is below elite. I'm cool with that. Stuffing is not trash. I'm defending stuffing real quick. Stuffing is okay. I'm not gonna lie. Not overly elite, but stuffing is cool. You can eat it with some gravy. It's tough. I'm not gonna lie. It's not
Trash.
over cool, but like it's not bad. It's not bad. It can definitely go on my plate. I can tell y'all what's gonna be on my Thanksgiving meal. Oh, for real.
I'm picky. I don't eat it.
I get the same stuff every year. Tell you we gonna eat mac and cheese. Yeah. Might get a little bit of turkey. I don't really mess with turkey, but like turkey might be on my stuff. Not baked beans. Baked potatoes. No, not baked potatoes. Potato salad. I don't know what else, but with some gumbo.
Grilled wings.
Grilled wings.
Like, they're just grilled wings.
Barbecue chicken.
I don't know. I guess it.
Kind of like barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken, okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's like okay. I ain't gonna lie. I don't mess with it.
Thanks for tuning in, Night Nation, and we hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.
Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Eat good.
If Thanksgiving is the Super Bowl of food, then this year your family will be taking home the trophy. Because instead of eating the classics, we're making them together. Here are some fun Thanksgiving foods your family can create that will taste good and will make good memories. Up first, we have fried mashed potato bites. First, you'll need 1 container or 24 ounces of refrigerated mashed potatoes. Then you're going to want to get 3 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, preferably shredded. You're going to want 1/4 of a cup of cooked and crumbled bacon, which is around 3 slices of bacon. And you're going to want 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced fresh chives, plus additional to garnish. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a tablespoon of black pepper, a cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You're going to want a tablespoon of kosher salt. You're going to want 3 big eggs, as well as 1.5 cups of panko, which are Japanese-style breadcrumbs. You're going to want vegetable oil for frying. The first step is you will stir together the cold mashed potatoes, cheese, bacon, chives, garlic powder, pepper, 2 tablespoons of the flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt into a large bowl until combined. Then you'll need to scoop up the potato balls and dredge. Place the remaining 1 cup of the flour in a shallow dish. Then you place your beaten eggs into another shallow dish. You're going to want to place your breadcrumbs in another shallow dish. Then, using a 1.5-inch cookie scoop, portion the mashed potato mixture. Roll the mashed potatoes into balls with your hands. You need to dredge first the ball in flour. You need to shake off the excess flour. Then you dip the ball in the eggs, letting the excess drip off. Then you will gently press to adhere the breadcrumbs to the egg. Then place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Repeat with your remaining mashed potatoes. Refrigerate them uncovered for 15 minutes. Then you're going to want to fry the mashed potato balls. Meanwhile, get 1 inch of oil in a large cast iron skillet over medium-high until your deep fry thermometer registers 350 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusting the heat as needed. Working in batches, add coated potato balls, fry, stirring frequently until golden brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to transfer onto a paper towel lined plate to drain. Repeat with your remaining balls. Sprinkle with garnish and salt while still hot. Thanksgiving food doesn't just bring people to the table, it brings people together. When your family chops, mixes, shakes, and bakes side by side, the menu becomes more than a meal. It becomes a memory. Try a few of the dishes for yourself and turn your Thanksgiving into the tastiest one yet.